The reason for every misunderstanding is, we see the people as we are, but not as they are. Take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. In a conflict between the heart and the brain, follow your heart. You are the creator of your own destiny. Talk to yourself once in a day, otherwise you may miss meeting an excellent person in this world. Throw away all weakness. Tell your body that it is strong. Tell your mind that it is strong, and have unbound faith and hope in yourself. We are what our thoughts have made us, so take care about what you think. Words are secondary, thoughts live, they travel far. Dare to be free, dare to go as far as your thought leads, and dare to carry that out in your life. The fire that warms us can also consume us. It is not the fault of the fire. Both attachment and detachment perfectly developed make a man great and happy. Where can we go to find God if we cannot see Him in our own hearts and in every living being? The calmer we are and the less disturbed our nerves, the more shall we love and the better will our work. The power of concentration is the only key to the treasure house of knowledge. Neither money pays, not name, nor fame, nor learning. It is character that can cleave through adamantine walls of difficulties. 3 golden rules. Who is helping you? Don't forget them. Who is loving you? Don't hate them. Who is trusting you? Don't cheat them. Never think there is anything impossible for the soul. The greatest sin is to think that you are weak. Anything that makes you weak physically, intellectually, and spiritually, reject as poison. You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. Relationships are more important than life, but it is important for those relationships to have life in them. Arise, awake, and do not stop until the goal is reached. Fill the brain with high thoughts. Highest ideals, place them day and night before you, and out of that will come great work. When an idea exclusively occupies the mind, it is transformed into an actual physical or mental state. Every act of love brings happiness. There is no act of love which does not bring peace and blessedness as its reaction. He who struggles is better than he who never attempts. Purity, patience, and perseverance are the 3 essentials to success, and above all, love. The world is the great gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. True progress is slow but sure. Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. Learn everything that is good from others, but bring it in, and in your own way absorb it. Do not become others.